I request Honorable Secretary Sri Siddhanga Education Society Sri T.K. Nanjundappa to address the gathering. Sorry.
I offer my reverential pranams to our revered founder president, His Holiness Sri Sri Shukumar Mahaswamiji, and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, our revered president. Respected chief guest, Sri P.B. Kotur, Global Head, Freshers, Engagement Programs and Higher Education, Talent Transformation, Wipro Limited, Bangalore, President of this function. Respected Dr. M.N. Channabasappa, our Director, Dr. Shivakumar Ayas, Chief Executive Officer, SIT, Dr. K.P. Shivanand, Principal SIT, heads of the departments, faculty, staff members of SIT, and our stakeholders, new students, and parents and invitees. I am honored and privileged to extend a very hearty welcome to all of you, newcomers, their parents, and invitees. Firstly, I heartily congratulate all of you for the excellent choice you have made in selecting SIT, a reputed institution in the country, for engineering architecture studies. You are now part of the institution that strives for excellence both in teaching and research. Our institute was started in 1963 with the blessings and guidance of visionary His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shukumar Swamiji. It was founded on the request of philanthropists and citizens of Tumkur. The aim of starting this institute was to provide opportunity for rural students to study engineering. The institute has been imparting quality education since its inception, and our institute has created a conducive environment which encourages every student to attain his or her potential. The development of the quality education system largely lies in the committed members of faculty, excellent infrastructure, supportive administration, a large pool of learning resources, and most of all, the hard-working and bright students. Our institute focuses on making every student a good human being and also a successful professional through strategic teaching of both theoretical and practical aspects. Many of our students who have left the portals of this institute with flying colors are now occupying higher positions in renowned organizations in India and abroad. For students who are away from their homes for the first time and facing many problems in settling down in the new environment, I assure you that all of us are available to listen to your problems and help you. We, the management, faculty, staff, and peer students are committed to help you all to get past any of your difficulties to emerge as successful engineers. I would like to take a commitment from all the new students to maintain an amiable relationship with one another, respect your elders, teachers, and staff members, and make your parents as well as us proud. SIT is a premier technological institute in the country. We shall all pledge to do our best on this behalf to honor of its past in celebrations of the present and especially in anticipation of the splendid future. I conclude my speech, and I wish all of you a happy and academically fulfilling journey ahead and outstanding stay for 4 years in this institute. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Now